and also the new heartthrob of Bollywood. Please put your hands together for Siddharth Malhotra. Yeah, थोड़ी तालियां हो जाए. Come on, everybody. Please be seated. Well, thank you for being with us here. Thank you for gracing with us. I'd like to start with Neeraj. Yeah, Neeraj, what do you think about the gaming industry as of today and your association with the game?
Thank you, Anshika. First of all, thank you so much, all of you, for being here, and apologies for this delay. We are very, very excited about this particular game. There have been numerous ones that we've developed over the years, but working with Dharma and working on a game which is a sort of hardcore action game like Brothers has been wonderful. The gaming industry in India continues to grow. For a young nation like ours, you know, it's now over about 200 million consumers in India are actually playing games on their smartphones, etc. And Hungama as a company has been developing games for the film industry. This particular one, both Akshay and Siddharth have had their own contributions to make, including Karan, to whom, the director of the film, because very particular about the look of the two lead characters, which is David and Monty. The kind of action that we brought into this game, we've kept it simple. It's basically using the gestures on your phone in terms of a swipe, but brought about, the sort of things that you will see in the film itself, like the choke slam, or the style that you do, which is the jujutsu, or the core boxing style of Monty. So all of that will be available for you to see, and as I said, very, very happy with what the outcome is, and we're looking forward to launching this today.
Well, thank you, Neeraj. Thank you so much. Over to you, Akshay. You've had a long association with martial arts and wrestling. How does it feel to be a part of an MMA game?
Well, it was very exciting that I got this whole movie coming in my hand to play an MMA fighter, and because I get to learn a lot of other things, and thanks to Karan Johar, my producer, who helped us get a lot of people coming from LA to teach me Jiu-Jitsu and Aikido. These are the two art which we learned in this film, and I always wanted to learn it, so I get more opportunity to learn more art, and at this point also I'm still learning, and you can see the result. I must tell you this, and want to share it with everyone here, that I've been in this industry since 25 years now, and I have seen many action films, and I'm not just saying it, this is by far the best action I have seen in Indian cinema.
Well, we can see the results. You just turned 25.
Oh yes, thank you very much, ma'am. You're very kind.
Well, thank you, Akshay. Yeah. All right, Siddharth. You look really fabulous. The avatar is incredible. How do you feel to be a part of, a serious fighting game?
It's very exciting. As a boy, we've all played these games. Games on television at home. We have these stations, different ones. And today is very exciting to be in one. I think all the boys and all the girls rather will be excited. They can get to play with me and Akshay sir. Or they can fiddle around. I saw the moves that the avatars do. I saw the characters, how they look. I think the effort they put in to make it so authentic to the film is very, very exciting, and hopefully they will keep enjoying this for months to come. I personally have been playing it for a while between promotions, and I thoroughly enjoy it.
Thank you, Siddharth. Yes, can we have thank you. And over to you, Purva. What do you think about this association?
I think firstly the apology has to come from me because we've been
to unveil the poster of the game Brothers Clash of Fighters, as well as the movie poster. Can we have the poster, please? Sorry? Yeah?
Okay.
Yes. We'd now like to show you how the game is actually played by the two lead characters of the game itself. So we're going to show you a little bit of a preview, demo.
Can we have the game console? Are you going to project that?
Please take a look at the screen there. As Akshay and Siddharth will play the game for you. Well, Akshay is going to play first. Take a look. Siddharth, are you planning to do a commentary on that?
No, David comes in and Rumana, who's the other guy?
It's Monty.
And yeah, David Arnold's kick and he's leading the round so far, 3 chip combos and उन्होंने एक uppercut थे वो बच गए पाजी. Well, I must say David has great roundhouse kicks and he is leading right now. He is kicking some ass. Alright. And that roundhouse kick sir actually knows how to hit. I have had one.
Really?
Yeah. So he's
How
very.
did you feel?
It is not a good experience. That leg comes with speed. That's it, Jite. And
Ooh.
that's the move.
That was a hard one.
Super cool. That was an easy one.
Yeah. So that was Akshay who played the game. I think he fared really well. Let's see Siddharth how you do it. You're playing against David. Yeah. So the game is. Yeah, take a look at the screens.
So the actions have basically been done with just a simple swipe, which is really what currently Siddharth is working on. Yeah? He's not only just sitting there, no?
Come on, everybody! Hey! Congratulations, you won. Well, friends, we'd also like to tell you that this game also has a tournament mode that will launch on August 14th, the day the movie Brothers is releasing. Alright, now it's time for our media to take over. We can please take your seats. Okay, good. All right. If you have any questions, please raise your hands and introduce yourselves. And yeah.
Congratulations to your team for the game.
Please, gentlemen over there.
Congratulations to the team for the game launch. My question is to Akshay. This is Simran Singh from Bollywood Nazar. My question is to you, sir. Game revolution के बारे में आपको क्या कहना है? मतलब from late 80s they were brick game. Then later on TV video game came up. Now PS, PSP. Now we have games on tablet. And what do you think? What do you want to say about the game revolution? And do you think it's good? Because nowadays there is not more outdoor games. Children are addicted.
I absolutely understand what you're saying and I agree with that. and it is important that you play your outdoor games because that's where the real thing lies, and that's where your physique is made of. And but I would also say at the same time it is sometimes, you know, like sitting in a car, you're just relaxing, you're doing nothing. Like I also play, I love playing outdoor game, but I also play on my iPad. So I need to relax sometimes. Sometimes, you know, while playing a game, you're concentrating there, but your mind is also working somewhere else. You can keep on thinking also. So it's kind of a way of, you know, removing your stress. So that is why I play. And the way that technology is going, very soon we'll be having games where, like, if there's the effect of water, there'll be some water thrown on our faces, or there's something or the other, because we would never even imagine that this kind of game we can play it on a small little pad. So things are going to be changing, and get ready for it. And thanks to people like Hungama, they keep on bringing new and new stuff. I remember looking at what they had made in Krish, and now what they're making now. Things have changed a lot, and I wish them a lot of luck that they can improve more and more because of the technology.
Siddharth sir, are you a gamer? Are you a game freak?
Yes, at home I have both the Wii and the PS3, though now I get less and less time to play, but I'm a big FIFA fan. I get to play that. But as Sir said, even I prefer playing outdoor games. I think that's nothing can substitute that. But again, it's just so much fun. We're a group of friends when you're socializing at home. I think when you can't go outside and play, we compete, we make bets, we lose bets, we fight over these games, and it's thoroughly entertaining.
And by the way, I must tell you, I love those dancing games also. I love to dance, you know, those you have to keep on dancing. And it's there very much in my house, so me and my son.
Wii boxing, sir. Wii boxing.
I don't know, I started, I'm just addicted to, not to boxing, I'm addicted to more of dancing games. So, because I know I can't dance, so for sure.
Yeah, hi Siddharth. Coming back to you, how does it feel that you see yourself in the role of the game?
I know that's such a fanboy kind of moment. You know, I've been playing these games all this while. I remember when initially हम लोग desktop पे खेलते थे. You know, I've come from that time, and now we have portable, you know, PlayStations and Wii. And now today, to be an actor and have a game and have a character under your name is a big fanboy moment. I just text couple of my guy friends behind and said, "Bro, please try this and play." That's me. So I'm pretty excited and really happy, and hopefully this should be there for many more films, and not only this.
Akshay, yeah, same place. Yeah, you have a lot of knowledge of martial arts and everything. So how does that help in getting addicted, or you know, how easy it is?
If you're saying I know a lot of martial art and then that I will be able to win all the game, is that what you're trying to say, sir? I don't think so. That's not the point. I'm saying it is how fast you move your fingers, and when you connect to the other finger and things like that. It has nothing got to do. Like I remember, I played tennis with Mahesh Bhupati. He lost, but on a game. Yeah, so not really. so. But if I play a game with him, I will never be able to score 1 point also.
Sir, Prabhat from APNS. During the course of your career, you have given some wonderful films, but till now the blockbuster tag has been associated with you, sir. जैसे कि खान जो बंधु हैं, आमिर हैं, सलमान हैं, शाहरुख हैं, तो आपको कोई competitive feeling है उनके?
Oh, okay. So I'm happy with that tag because I think if that's what you think, then I'm capable of that only, and that's what it is.
हाय अक्षय ब्रदर्स फिल्म जो है द वॉरियर की रीमेक है, तो कितनी मिलती जुलती और कितनी आप लोगों ने लिबर्टी ली है फिल्म में?
जी हमने करीबन 40% वॉरियर से निकाला है, बाकी 60% has been made and it's been added according to Indian sentiments and emotions.
Akshay sir, how does launching a game on the movie help in promoting the movie? How much does it help?
Well, you can see there are 150 media people sitting here, so they will be all writing about it, and I hope so because of your writing it will promote our film, and that does help somewhere.
See, if I can actually just add to that, we've noticed that gaming and the film industry, particularly the Indian film industry, really go hand in hand. Our audiences are getting younger and younger, and gaming is just one way of both creating curiosity for the film, plus at the same time, once you see the film, you are also able to sort of carry on with that entire experience if you've liked it. So in that context, we are very excited the way this has turned out, and Apurva and the wonderful team at Dharma been extremely supportive in even being able to add the inputs with regard to what kind of fights need to be done. They have to be as realistic, and that's really what the effort has been.
I think Neeraj is being very kind. I think his team was ready to kill us because of all the inputs we kept giving on the way it should look and the way things should happen. So he's being very kind right now.
Hi Akshay, I have two questions for you. The first question is about, you had opened this, you obviously invest a lot of your energy and time in training a lot of women when it comes to safety, and with Mr. Thackeray you had launched an event, and you also visit the school and you give them certificates and stuff. Have you thought of kind of, raising the bar and increasing the levels for the women who are learning? You had told it was basic, and you said, once the students kind of catch up with it, you will. So have you done that, and have you kind of, are you planning to also kind of go full on into mixed martial arts for the women as well? And Siddharth, have you got a time to kind of go and meet them and be a part of the school?
Well, he'll be coming. I have requested him, and he's been kind enough to say that he will be coming. I have now, in few days, I'll be giving certificates to 600 women. I've finished training them now. Altogether, my school has finished about 4,000 women. I know it's a very less, but nevertheless, it's good, at least it's a good initiative which I've planned for women, and it has helped them with their confidence, not only saving themselves but the confidence they have. Well, it's not about teaching them MMA, it's teaching them the basics of it, and I'm here to teach them the basic, because teaching them MMA will be a lot of time is required, and these are girls, these are women who are working, so they don't have that much of a time. They have enough time to learn the basics of it.
You want to say something, Siddharth?
Yeah, I think it's highly commendable of what he's giving back, to society, especially with women. And he's a great martial artist himself, so I'm sure those girls will kick some ass now. The boy is trying to mess with them, and we will see. As I said, we are going in for their graduation, and it'll be exciting to see how the school is.
Absolutely, and hopefully they get to learn more. One more question for you, Akshay, is, recently there was this video that AIB made with Irfan regarding Party Song. It was a spoof on your song, Party All Night. What did you think of it? It was done in good humor, but also had a message.
Exactly. You've been intelligent enough to think it was in good humor, the same way I just think so.
So did you enjoy the song, of course?
Absolutely, it was very funny.
So there's, there were a lot of lines they wrote about how party songs kind of are, are there to kind of take in the crowd. Do you agree with the statement that, sometimes for commercial purposes?
That's what I would say. It is, even Irfan was making fun of himself because he himself has done many party songs. One was with me only in Thank You.
Great.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you.
One last question.
We'll keep that as the last question. Thank you.
Akshay sir, this is Faridun from Bollywood Nama. I believe you play on your iPad every day for 1 hour. You play various games on your iPad. So what sort of games do you play, and do you play with your children?
Well, I don't play for 1 hour. 1 hour is a lot.
You said somewhere.
And did I say to you?
In an interview I read somewhere.
I think so. That must I was misquoted. But I don't play. I play sometimes. Any kind of game, whichever is there. I sometimes take my son's iPad and I play wars, I play aircraft landing, and what is that? I keep on forgetting names. So wars is my game which I enjoy a lot.
Hopefully he'll play Brothers with you.
Yes, I'm going to. That's why I asked you when are you going to? How can
When
I
is
go
it coming
for
on iOS? Very soon.
Alright. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, as for all the gamers, for all the fans, we also have a gift that will be given to them. So can we have the gloves please? requesting Akshay and Siddharth to please sign them. So this will be given to our gaming fans. Thank you so much. So our fans have a chance to win this, an autographed glove from Akshay. Thank you, Siddharth.
Thank you very much. And from the entire team at Hungama Game Shastra and Vroovy, which is our gaming company, thank you very much for being here and for supporting this entire thing. And if there are any other questions, otherwise, we will over to you, Anjali.
Well, thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, we can have one photo up here and that will be it. We can move in after that for snacks served outside.